Hey Prime Drivers, Driver Health and Fitness Coordinator Matt Hancock here, and we are out at a TA, Strafford, Missouri, and we're going to show you how to use your surroundings here in order to make a quality exercise routine that you can do maybe on your way just walking inside to a gas station or truck stop, or maybe on your 30-minute break. It's a 5-minute routine today, and we're going to do what's called an EMOM approach. So EMOM, every minute on the minute. So I got a timer set up here for 5 minutes, 2 exercises in that time, and we're going to do step-ups on the bench, and I'm going to turn around and do dips, and that's going to build up the triceps on the back of your arm and also the legs. So we're working upper body and lower body for a full body routine. Let's get after it. So my timer is set, and we're going to start off here, 1 minute of stepping up on this. Now be careful when you do this, because it is a little bit slick when you have condensation on your shoes, and you're just going to alternate up here just like this. If you feel any sort of pinching in your knees and your hips, anything like that, I'm going to show you a modified version how to do here in a second. And the goal on these is to push through your whole foot. So not through your heel, not through the ball of your foot, but through your whole foot. It's going to help you activate all the muscles in your glutes and hips a little bit more effectively. Okay, we got 20 seconds left. And we're going to transition to our dips after that. This is a great way to get your heart rate up on those breaks. 5 seconds. All right, turn around here, we'll do our dips. So feet straight out, and then go down as far as you can, making it comfortable on your shoulders and your triceps. Not only will this build up the back of your arms for the triceps, but it also stretches your shoulders into an extension position, which is really good. Really good for the flexibility of the upper back. I gotta look at my clock. All right, 20 seconds left. You can imagine we're gonna be doing a lot of dips, and so I'm gonna show you a modified way to do those on this next round. So my triceps are already smoked, and so I'm going to take you through the modified way next. And here we go for round 2. So the goal is not to have to push through your hand up here like that. That means you're going too high, and you need to pick something a little bit lower to step on, like a curb. We are halfway done with this routine right now. If you're following along, fantastic work. Quick, easy, and efficient. Burn those calories. All right, 3 seconds. So flip around, transition. And now we're going to do the beginner version because my triceps are smoked. So right here, feet come in instead of coming out like this. So feet in, takes a lot of the weight off you're carrying. Nice and easy. And if you need to get up, shake out your arms. Not a problem. Get some blood flow back into them, and then we'll get back into it. Burning of that lactic acid. This means that you're just working those muscles very well in a short amount of time. One more shakeout. We got 15 seconds left. Almost there. All right. All right. 1 minute left in the routine. Let's head over to a curb and I'll show you the beginner version in case you're having trouble getting up on this bench here. We're gonna head to a curb right here, and this is the beginner version. If you have trouble getting up on the benches over there, we got 33 seconds left. So you can go as fast as you want. You can almost run up it if you want to get the heart rate up, or you can just do nice and easy. And just alternate so you even out your legs a little bit. 20 seconds left. Almost there, keep pushing. 10 seconds. Whew. All right, another great workout in the books, 5-minute long, using the EMOM approach, every minute on the minute. Just a lesson to learn what you have around you, use it to your advantage with your workout routines, and you'll have some great benefits as a result. Take care, Prime drivers.
Hey Prime drivers, it's Sarah, registered dietitian with Driver Health and Fitness. Today I am at a truck stop here in Strafford, Missouri, the TA. It's loud, hectic, something you guys deal with on a daily basis, so I'm really in your element. Today I'm focusing on healthy snacks on the go. We know you sometimes get hungry in between meals, and that's okay. We just want to focus on whole, unprocessed foods and really look at those serving sizes. So this first one I'm going to grab is a protein pack. We have chicken, cashews, cheese. The chicken is going to be a lean protein, great option. We also have the cashews, which are another protein source and a healthy fat. We're also going to look at the fruits and boiled eggs. Boiled eggs are a great option for your protein. With fruit, you also get vitamins, minerals, and fiber. I would pair these two together. I would also make sure to portion them out. You won't need all of this, but you can definitely save it for your next snack. Drivers, focus on whole foods, read the serving sizes, and stay safe out there. We'll see you next time.